Hi, I'm Romney and I'm the founder of the Life Graduate Publishing Group. And thanks very much for joining the YouTube channel. It's going to be my intention to be able to help scale your publishing business like I have done with mine. So I've now created over 250 books and resources, had a number of bestsellers across the United States, the UK and Canada. And I now know a lot of the steps, the tips and the tricks to be able to help you get that bestseller badge as well, because being able to create books is an amazing opportunity, and self-publishing these days is growing, and the ability for us to be able to create books and launch them online through platforms like Amazon, Ingram Spark, Findaway Voices, Audible, and even other platforms like Etsy allow us to have global reach. So no matter where you are in the world, you can actually reach customers by creating books and going through the self-publishing journey like I have. And so this channel will all be about creating new books and also using existing books to be able to scale them to bigger sort of levels that you can then create that passive income. There are different things that you need to know about self-publishing, which could be things that you haven't actually learned as yet. And so this channel will all be about providing you with those different platforms, the different ideas and thoughts and steps that you need to take to make sure that you're giving yourself every opportunity to launch a successful book. So thank you for joining the channel. If you want to subscribe, please do so. So any new videos that I create for you, you will receive that alert. So all the best with your publishing, whatever journey and whatever goals or motivation you have towards creating books. And I hope I can help you by providing high quality content as part of this production. So thank you and all the best.